The youngest victim, Andrew, in San Diego, California, he was only like 3 months old. Mom took him for a checkup, got back to the nurse's station for a copay. The nurses was like, "You don't have any medical benefits." She was like, "What are you talking about?" Come to find out, a 49-year-old man had needed lumbar surgery, back surgery, and exhausted little Andrew's medical benefits, ladies and gentlemen. I had another young guy here in California. He sold this guy's medical information in New York. He was going to an urgent care, so the nurse had facial recognition. He was going so often that she said, "John, I noticed that your blood type is incorrect. Let me update it for you." Little did she know that he was the criminal, ladies and gentlemen. And guess what? When the real John in New York went to the hospital, they gave him the wrong blood and it was fatal. This is what's happening. I promise I'll make you laugh. I'm sorry I'm making you so sad, but I promise you guys will laugh in the end. But this is unfortunate in what's happening in North America today. We give you a $3 million identity theft fraud protection plan, ladies and gentlemen. We give you trend, micro, maximum security. That's just a fancy way for saying, you know, when the little malware pops up on your computer or your phone, we protect you there. We give you VPN proxy 1. When you're sharing public Wi-Fi, when you're at Starbucks, when you're in a hotel, when you're traveling, we'll protect you there. We'll give you password manager. I don't know about you, but I got a gazillion passwords in my brain. So we'll have access to, encrypt certain passwords for you, so that way you're always stay protected. We'll give you privacy management as well, and credit counseling, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know about you, but I want to get to that 800 credit score. So when you have the legal services and you have the identity theft services and you get both, you bundle, we give you a break, and we give you credit counseling and education. If you get the individual identity theft product, is only $19.95. If you get the family plan, is $34.95, ladies and gentlemen. And who's covered? You, the individual.